Hey everyone, this is Mike the Toy Train Fan, and welcome to this tutorial video on how to add headlights to the police train from LEGO City. This is set number 60508. And here, using the headlights I had in the freight train from 2022, you're going to need some modifications like these that I just have. Let's go to work. Just take off the HUD to access it. Then you might unplug it for later. Then remove the roof of the cab, like this officer on, so we can access. See, now we have a path for the lights to go under, for the cables to go under. You do that. Put the headlights through here. Snap it on the front of the engine. The white line, the wires for the lights should thread through here. Oh. Like that. Just like that. We assemble the cab. Don't need these pieces anymore. Put the locomotive's engine back on. Like this. now. Put her back in. Now just plug the lights and motor back into the hub. Attach it to the engine, and you're ready to go. Let's link it up to the... Here it goes. There, it's as simple as that.